after this mga programs ninyo, what else is AIA will do para po mas lalo pang encourage clients or sabihin na natin yung iba to take talaga?
So across AIA, we have an objective, an initiative, a goal that we call AIA 1 billion. And what we really want to do is across all the markets where AIA does business, across the markets we serve, to engage 1 billion people in taking steps toward improving their health. And again, that's not just buying health insurance, that's really starting conversations about health. And that's why, for instance, we have AIA Voices. It's really how do we bring the topic to the forefront, because we have to start talking about it for us to create change, for us to create improvements. But bringing that back home to the Philippines, it's really continuing to focus on a lot of